Folks, I recently had an issue with my Ram 2500 radio, and let me show you what that was. Unfortunately, I didn't film it when it was acting up. However, I'll walk you through it. This screen would come up. The only thing that would work are the heater controls. The radio would not come on. This was sort of faded out, and the XM radio, media, all that would not play, nor would it react, or you could not push the controls and activate any of that. Let me show you what that was. So if you watch any YouTube videos, you're going to see multiple suggestions. One, look for the fuse box under here. Well, on a 2017-18 model made in Mexico, you're not going to find a fuse box under here, so don't even go look. So you say the next option would be, well, let's look in the fuse and relay box. Nope, it's not going to be there either. I tried looking for that. No radio fuse. Then you'd say, well, is it in the relay box? Nope. No radio fuse. Where the heck is it? Let me show you. But first, if you search on YouTube, you're going to find multiple locations depending on the year and model. So I think Gen 3 and some Gen 4s, you're going to find a fusible link or a fuse holder along here in this location on the left side of the truck near the brake booster is what they'll show on that video. Not on this truck. The other location is if you remove this box by loosening these 4 clips and remove the whole relay box, there's a bunch of wires down underneath here, and that fuse holder is in there on some models, but not in this case, not on this truck. Thanks to a video I found by a YouTuber who has one video. They posted a video that helped me out and showed me exactly where my fuse holder is for my radio. If you look at the right hand side of your truck where your other battery is, he pointed out to this wiring harness back here in the corner next to your radiator reservoir. And I was looking, and I could not see a fuse holder anywhere. So I kept looking, and I didn't see any type of fuse holder just sticking out there. So I started messing around with the wiring harness, and it was tucked up behind that wiring harness right there. So very simple to do. You just pop that off. Some needle nose pliers. That's the fuse. Nothing wrong with it. Nothing that I could see wrong with it. It worked when I reinserted it. We're going to go ahead and replace it with another brand new 20 amp fuse. This time we're going to leave the fuse holder out in the open, visible to whoever may have to work on this next, whether it's me or the next owner. All right, let's go ahead and restart it and see if we got our radio functions back. That's a good sign. And yes, we do. So we not only have our radio buttons that we can hit, we got our XM back, and all the other functions that we lost for whatever reason. That fuse didn't go bad, but something went up with it. The main lesson here was to show you where that fuse location is for the 2017-18 Ram 2500 with the Cummins diesel in it. Hope that helps. But either way, I found the fuse thanks to a YouTube video by this creator. Thanks a lot, it helped, and it was the only YouTube video I could find for this model, 2017 to 2018 Ram 2500 with the Cummins diesel 6.7 engine. Don't know if that makes a difference of the fuse locations, but apparently it did. And Ram, thanks a lot for not helping whatsoever. Thanks for stopping in. I hope that helped. Leave a thumbs up and a comment, whether it helped you or not, and consider subscribing to our channel because we do things like this and much, much more. Till next time and the next problem, I hope you have a blessed day.